Thikũ imwe tu thutha wa thukuru wa imwana wa Chesmisi kaunti-ini ya Bungoma kuhingwo kwa ihinda kurumirira uthukangia wa indo ruratabanirio ni arutwo, thukuru wa St Luke's Kimilili kaunti-ini uyu ni uhingitwo thutha wa arutwo thukuru-ini ucio uthukangia indo cia thukuru. Kurerikana githagathago kireyumiririe thukuru-ini uyu thutha wa murutwo umwe gutharikirwo ni murutwo ungi riria aronekanire na mithogoto ya bangi. Munini wa county commissioner wa Kimilili Taras Kiplagat akiuga arutwo aria mekunyitikana na mahitia ni megutacukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
Clear from the compound. You will go to your hostels or dormitories, get your pocket money. You don't carry the box, you don't carry the mattress. You are only carrying your fare, and we meet when the school will communicate to you. So you have 30 minutes to clear out of the compound.
For those boys who are peddling drugs in the school, I'm happy that the DCC has said you are going to face the full law of the law. And if possible, if we already know names, we should be arresting some of them before they go home.
Or rather, your parents have invested a lot in you, and they hope that you are going to do well in your exam.
Kaunti-ini ya Baringo thukuru igiri na ire ni thukuru wa sekondari wa Kitulo na thukuru wa Timboroa High. Mitino ya mwaki ni tuthukire nyumba-ini cia toro utuku wa gukia umuthi. Mwaki uria uthukangitie indo no na gutwika gutire murutwo no umwe uragurarire.
I have already dispatched my education officials to touch base with my administrators, my DCs and everybody to go and find out, and the police to go and investigate on what's going on. I am encouraging the management of schools, very many schools, especially secondary schools, that let them manage the students nicely.
Thukuru wa Kiambere thina nota uyu kura nyimbo imwe ya gukomo ni arutwo iraheire mathaa manini tu thutha wa thukuru wa Kirimari kaunti-ini iyo kugia na mutino ota uyu wa mwaki.
We have 3 boys that we suspended on Wednesday. These are day scholars who became defiant. They wanted to leave school earlier than the scheduled time. We suspended them to come with their parents next week, and we shall treat them as our first suspects.
Kurumirira thina uyu minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha ni ahete arutani rutha rwa kung'ethanira na arutwo aria maratabania ciiko ici, akiuga matigwitikirio guthukangia mathukuru na aciari riothe matagwitikirania na itua riri onao ni megutacukirio ikinya.
So as teachers, you must be very, very vigilant. And any person who feels that just because he or she is a child and is going to assault a teacher, we shall come to you like a ton of bricks. I can tell you that.
Hari igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE iria ciĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũgatabanio mweri-inĩ wa 3 na mweri-inĩ wa 4 ciaya gũtĩrio angĩkorwo ngahiha iria irĩ mwena wa Kapedo itikũhorera. Amu thukuru ni hinge mwena ucio. Magoha akiuga maisha ma ciana marĩ na bata gũkĩra gĩthomo.
The lives of our children are more important than their education. So for the time being, for the very short time, let us allow the security wing of government to ensure that sanity and security is brought back to that area.
Ukinyaniria na riu thukuru mugwanja nicio igumiirwo ni mathina thiini wa kaunti-inya. Thukuru inya higicinwo nyumba cia gukomo ni arutwo na ingi 3 igithukangio indo cia makiri ma mbeca. Girifotera Kameme TV ritoraka ni Wanjiru wa Foro.